Marbella Grand. This is our sample flat of 2120 square feet. Please come. On entrance, we are providing teak doors and keyless entry, as you can see. This is our first guest room. As you can see, we are providing Italian finished floor tiles, approximate of 2 by 4 size. Please come. We are giving fully loaded washrooms with vanity, wall tiles. All fall ceiling work has been done with all the ambient lights. Bath enclosure is here and all premium fittings are here. Grohe, Toto. We are also providing wall-to-wall cupboards with enough storage. As you can see, hanging above there is storage. Now here we have different drawers, and to give the premium look, lacquered glass on top. Same here, enough storage space. Please come. Now here, this is the hall area, your drawing room and dining. In whole apartment, we are giving you all the fall ceiling work with all the ambient lights. And here is the open kitchen. Open kitchen is fully loaded with chimney and hob. All modular fittings are there. Brand is Hatchet, as you can see here. Haffel chimney and hob. Kitchen concept is we are giving a dry kitchen. There is a beautiful breakfast top, and on the other side we are giving you enough storage, as you can see. Now here, as we can see, this is our extended kitchen. This is our extended kitchen. Your wet point will be here, and a provision for washing machine and dishwashing will be here at this point. Now this is again your hall area, dining area. This is master bedroom. Again, full length, wall to wall cupboards with enough of storage, drawers, and lacquered glass top on cupboards. We are also providing all ACs with 5-star ratings, all inverter AC, all weather. Now you may see this washroom, which is we are offering it with all the fittings. And also in master bedroom, you are getting a wardrobe. Extra storage is there. balcony is of exactly 6 feet wide. Now here we enter our third room, which is kids room, attached with washroom. Again we are giving you all the full length cupboards here, as you may see. Enough of storage space, and on down we are here providing you all the drawers. And also in kids room we are giving you workstation space with this light, which gives a nice ambience, and a balcony is attached. We are also providing these mesh doors, as you can see here. This is high grade aluminum. Complete washroom with vanity, all the bath fittings and sanitary fittings, and the bath enclosure. We are also providing geysers, an exhaust fan in your washroom. I hope you like the apartment and will visit us soon.